Hey, it's Ben. I got this desk chair. I just assembled it and I want to show you the features. Company sent this to me, so let's check this out. Assembly was not too bad except for putting the back on, which was a bit tricky. So the instructions were sufficient and all the tools needed were included, which is really just one hex key tool. One thing to note is the hardware was not labeled correctly, but the bolt measurements were given, so that helped to discern which length of bolt to use in which spot. So first I attached all the legs to the base and then pushed the casters on. Next I bolted the base frame to the seat. When you do this, make sure you have the front labels facing the correct direction. Next I sat the seat on top of the piston. Then I bolted the arm rests onto each side of the seat. You do not want to tighten the bolts all the way on the armrests. You'll need a little bit of wiggle room for putting on the back. So when it comes to the back, first you want to lay it down forward on the seat and attach the lower of the two bolts on each side. Again, don't fully tighten these either. You'll need some wiggle room. Then you'll bend the back upright until the top holes line up with the armrest. And this is the tricky part. You'll need to wiggle the armrest outwards a little bit to make it fit. You might need two people because the cushions need to kind of squish together to get it lined up just right. So once all the bolts are in, tighten them up, then place the covers over the bolt holes, and finally attach the lumbar controller under the seat in the slot, and note that the handle needs to face outward. And that's it. Overall, it's a really great chair, great material, very comfortable. Highly recommend it. If you'll be sitting a long time, this is a great chair to get. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.